is live.
क्यों? चल
आपला माईक सुरू आहे का?
माईक लावला का?
हॅलो.
माईक लावला नाही का तो? हा? तो माईक नाही लावला.
अरे आपला आवाज येत होता त्यात.
Good morning. Last lecture we have seen that is a trigonometric function of allied angle. Also the examples on this. Now we will see some example. So fourth example, see here, cosec 90 minus x, sin 180 minus x, cot 360 minus x, sec 180 plus x, tan 90 plus x, sin minus x is equal to 1. Consider LHS. That is a cosec 90 minus x, sin 180 minus x, cot 360 minus x, sec 180 plus x, tan 90 plus x, sin minus x. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible? Screen is visible? Okay, so consider the example cosec, that is a cosec 90 minus x. So we know that 90 minus x, that is a which is a multiple of odd, cosec will be converted into sec, and cosec 90 minus x, which is lies in the first quadrant, therefore which is a positive. Sec x, and sin 180 minus x, that is a pi minus x, pi that is a 2 pi by 2 minus x, which is a even. So even which is equal to even will be therefore sin is as it is, therefore sin 180 minus x, so sin will be as sin, and sin 180 minus x, which is lies sin in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sin is a positive, therefore sin 180 minus x, which is equal to sin x. Cot of 360 minus x, that is a cot 360 minus x, which is lies in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cot is a negative, therefore, and here 4 into pi by 2 means that is a इवन मल्टीपल, कॉट का कॉट ही रहेगा, और ये फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में इसके लिए ये नेगेटिव रहेगा, माइनस कॉट एक्स अपॉन sec 180 plus x, sec 180 plus x, that is lies in the fourth quadrant, in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant only tan is positive, therefore sec is a negative, and 180 can be expressed as 2 into pi by 2, therefore that is a इवन, सेक का सेक ही रहेगा, अगर ऑड है तो, अगर ऑड रहता तो यहाँ पे सेक का कॉसेक होता, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये 180 कैन बी एक्सप्रेस एज 2 इंटू पाई बाई 2, दैट इज, और 2 इंटू 90 डिग्री देयर, विच इज़ अ इवन, सेक का सेक ही रहेगा, तो सेक एंड 180 प्लस एक्स, दैट इज लाइज इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, इन द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट ओनली tan इज पॉजिटिव, तो सेक क्या आएगा, निगेटिव, minus sec x, tan 90 plus x, tan 90 plus x, again which is tan will be converted into cot, and 90 plus x, that is lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant tan is a negative, therefore minus cot x, sin of minus x, sin of minus x, which is equal to minus sin x, that is a sin of minus x means that is a sin of 0 minus x, or sin of minus theta, which is equal to minus sin theta. Okay, so sin x cancel, minus cot x cancel, sec x cancel, so we get which is equal to 1. This we want to prove. Okay, example number 5th. See the example number 5th, that is like this. What is example number 5th? Cosec sin cube pi plus x, sec square pi minus x, tan pi 2 pi minus x cos square pi plus pi by 2 plus x sin pi minus x cosec square minus x is equal to tan cube x. Now consider the example that LHS sin cube pi plus x sec square pi minus x tan 2 pi minus x cos square pi by 2 plus x sin pi minus x cosec square of minus x. So this can be written as sin cube pi plus x can be written as sin pi plus x cube. Similarly sec pi minus x bracket square tan as it is tan 2 pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x square sin pi minus x minus cosec square. Okay, so minus sin pi plus x lies in the third quadrant and pi that is even multiple sin का sin ही रहेगा but in the third quadrant sin is a negative, therefore we get minus sin x. And sec pi minus x bracket square that is sec pi minus x which is equal to sec pi minus x sec pi even multiple sec का sec ही रहेगा but pi minus x lies in the second quadrant and in the second quadrant only sign is positive, therefore sec will be negative minus sec x bracket square. Tan of 2 pi minus x lies which is in the fourth quadrant and in the fourth quadrant only cos is a positive, remaining are the negative, therefore minus tan x. Cos pi plus pi by 2 plus x lies in the cos lies in the second quadrant, pi by 2 plus x is lies in the second quadrant and in the second quadrant cos is a negative, therefore we get minus sin x bracket square. Sin pi minus x which is equal to sin pi minus x which is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant sin is positive, so sin pi minus x sin x cosec square of minus x sin x which is equal to sin of minus theta which is equal to minus sin theta and which is square which is equal to cosec square x. Okay, minus sin cube x sec square x minus tan x sin square x sin x sin square x sin x square x cancel, sin x into sin x cancel, so we get sin square x into sec square x. Okay, see here sin square x cancel, minus minus plus minus sin cube sec square x into tan x upon sin x. So sin square x sec as it is, cos square x can be written as 1 upon sec square x can be written as 1 upon cos square x into tan x, so tan square x into tan x, so which is equal to tan cube x. This we want to prove. Next example, cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree plus cos 125 degree plus cos 240 degree plus cos 300 degree which is equal to 1 by 2. So see here, consider LHS. LHS is equal to cos, what is LHS? That is a cos 24 degree, cos 55 degree, cos 125 degree, cos 240 degree, cos 300 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2. Consider LHS, consider क्या cos 24 degree as it is plus cos 55 as it is. Now cos 125 can be written as cos of 180 minus 55 degree. 180 इसको कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे हम cos 125 को, that is 180 minus theta. So cos 125 can be written as 180 minus 55 plus cos 180 plus 24 लेक्चर चिलिंग सगळं पाठवले की cos 125 degree can be written as 180 minus 55. 240 can be written as, sorry, this is a 204, yeah, 214 204 degree. 180 plus 24, this is a printing mistake here. Cos of 240 is replaced by 204, okay, and that is a cos of here 204 degree, 180 plus 24 degree, cos of 360 minus 60 degree, cos of 24 plus cos of 55, here 180 minus theta, cos of pi minus theta. So cos of pi minus theta, which is equal to cos of pi minus theta, which is equal to, that is a pi which is a multiple of 90 degree, 2 into pi by 2, cos का cos ही रहेगा, और cos 180 minus theta lies which is again in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cos is a negative, therefore we get minus cos of 55 degree minus cos of 24 degree, cos of 180 plus theta, 180 plus theta, yes, 180 plus theta, which is again in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant cos is a negative, therefore minus cos of 24 degree plus cos of 360 minus 60, again here even multiple, therefore cos का cos ही रहेगा, 360 minus 60, that is a 360 minus 60, which is equal to 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus theta, which is in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cos is positive, therefore cos of 60 degree. Now so we get here cos 24 degree minus cos 24 degree cancel, cos 55 minus cos 55 cancel, therefore here only remain, that is a cos 60 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2 RHS. Next example, sec of 840 degree into cot of minus 945 degree plus sin 600 into tan minus 690 is equal to 3 by 2. So sec 840 degree, which is equal to sec into 2 into 360 plus 120 degree, okay. So 2 into 360, that is a 2 rotation completed, so sec 120, So sec 120, which is in the, can be written as 90 plus 30. So 90 plus 30, sec of 90 plus theta. So 90 plus theta, which is in the second quadrant, and the second quadrant cos is a negative. Sec, that is a reciprocal of cos. Therefore sec, which is a minus cosec 30 degree, which is equal to minus 2. Then cot of minus 945 degree, which is equal to cot of 945 degree. Tan of minus theta, which is equal to minus tan theta. Here cot of minus 945 degree, which is equal to minus cot 945 degree, minus cot 2 into 360 plus 225 is equal to minus cot of 225. So minus cot of 225 is equal to cot of 180 plus 45, and cot of 180 plus theta, that is lies in the which quadrant? So which in the 180 plus theta, so which is in the third quadrant, and in the third quadrant cot is a positive, tan positive is, therefore cot is a positive. Therefore we get minus tan minus cot 45 degree. माइनस का ये ऑलरेडी माइनस साइन इसमें ऑलरेडी है, और कॉट ऑफ 180 प्लस 45 क्या आएगा? पॉजिटिव. सो माइनस कॉट ऑफ 45 इज इक्वल टू minus 1. Similarly, sin 600 degree. Sin 600 degree 360 plus 240. Sin 240, that is a 180 plus 60. 180 plus 60, which is equal to. So 180 plus 60 lies in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, that is a sin 180 plus 60 lies in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, sin is a negative. यहाँ पे ये माइनस साइन 60 डिग्री है. सो माइनस साइन 60 डिग्री विच इज इक्वल टू माइनस √3/2. माइनस tan of minus 690 degree, which is equal to minus tan 690 is equal to minus tan 2 into 360 minus 30 degree is equal to minus tan minus of minus 10. ये lies in the minus tan 2 into 360 minus 30 degree, so which is equal to minus of minus tan 30 degree, minus minus plus 1/√3. Therefore we get that is a value of sec 840 degree minus 2 cot of minus 945 degree minus 1 sin 600 into tan of minus 690. Putting the values, we get the this. Minus 2 into minus 1, 1. √3/2 into 1/√3. √3 cancel. Minus 1/2. So 4 minus 1/2. 3/2, which is equal to RHS. Next example. Cosec of 90 minus theta, which is equal to cosec of into sine of cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta into sin 180 minus theta cot upon sec 180 plus theta into tan 90 plus theta into sin minus theta is equal to 1. Consider LHS. That is in the LHS, cosec 90 minus theta into sin 180 minus theta cot 360 minus theta sec 180 minus theta, sorry 180 plus theta, tan 90 plus theta, sin of minus theta. सो कोसेक का क्या होगा, सेक है ना, 90 माइनस थीटा है तो 90 क्या है, ई ऑड मल्टीपल है तो 1 इंटू 90 दैट इज़ 1 इंटू पाई बाई 2. देयरफॉर सेक का क्या होगा, कोसेक का सेक होगा. और 90 माइनस थीटा है तो वो पॉजिटिव रहेगा, है ना, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में. इन द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस आर पॉजिटिव. तो कोसेक का क्या होगा, सेक. साइन 180 माइनस थीटा, साइन अभी 180 माइनस थीटा विच इज़ इन द सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, and the second quadrant sign is positive, therefore we get sin theta. Cot of 360 minus theta minus cot of theta. 360 minus theta which is in the fourth quadrant, and in the fourth quadrant cot is negative, therefore minus cot theta. sec 180 plus theta, sec का क्या होगा, sec ही रहेगा क्योंकि ये 180 क्या है, 2 पाई बाई 2 even मल्टीपल है, therefore even मल्टीपल है तो sec का sec ही रहेगा. But 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant, third quadrant, and in the third quadrant cos sin only tan is positive, remaining are the negative. So we get minus sec theta, tan of 90 plus theta, tan of 90 plus theta which is in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cot is negative, therefore my tan is negative, therefore minus cot theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta. So we get minus sec theta sin theta cot theta, sec theta cot theta which is equal to 1. Similarly we can solve this. Cot of pi by 2 plus theta into sin of minus theta, theta is cos of 2 pi minus theta, sin of pi plus theta tan 2 pi minus theta is equal to cosec theta. So LHS, that is a which is equal to cot pi by 2 plus theta, cot of pi by 2 plus theta into sin minus theta cot of pi minus theta cot of pi by 2 plus theta, so which is a break for attendance. Cot of consider LHS, cot of pi by 2 plus theta, sin minus theta cot of pi minus theta, cos of 2 pi minus theta, sin pi plus theta, tan 2 pi minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Okay? So cot pi by 2 plus theta which is in the second quadrant, and the second quadrant cot, that is a minus, we get minus tan theta, sin of minus theta minus sin theta, cot of pi minus theta which is in the again second quadrant. So in the second quadrant tan is negative, remaining are negative, only sin is positive, therefore minus cot theta, cos of 2 pi minus theta which is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is a positive, therefore we get cos theta. Sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Tan of 2 pi minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Sin theta, tan theta cancel. Cot theta upon cos theta. So minus cos theta upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. Cos theta cancel, we get minus 1 upon sin theta, which is equal to minus cosec theta. This we want to prove. Here we will see that is a next example. Okay, so remaining we will see tomorrow same time. बाकीचं आपण उद्या बघू. उद्या तुम्हाला काही शंका असेल तर उद्या विचारा मला या सेशनवर. ओके, बाय.